What's up, guys? My name is Robert Schmidt, and this is the Big Red Jeep project. We're going to be doing an oil change video for Amsoil. I'll show you some of their products here. We're using the 5W20 synthetic oil, and you've got this filter here. It's EAO 42. Some of the parts you're going to need, or tools you're going to need to do this video, are 17 mil socket so you can do the oil plug, and then I don't know if you've ever seen this tool, but it pulls off the filter. I don't think that there's any other tool that's as good as this one. Just grab it like this. And then shove through that tires. What we're going to do is put a little bit of oil on this rubber piece right here so that it doesn't get stuck the next time that you do this. You pour a little bit of your oil on there. Doesn't have to be a lot, and then you just get it on there. Alright, that's how it looks. You can get this guy on there. Putting the oil filter back in, you will just hand tighten it in there. Make sure it's on there, take your time. Alright guys, so that's the filter back on. Now we'll see you on the top of the car. Down at the bottom of the car. You guys got your funnel. Get it in here. And then you start pouring the oil. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It takes just under 7 quarts to fill our engine. For our Amsoil oil change video. We showed you guys how to do the whole oil change, and now you'll be able to do it yourself. Huge shout out to Amsoil and everybody that made this happen. We couldn't do it without you guys. Stay tuned.